if you are that one fashion designer that is interested in creating beautiful flyers for your fashion brand, professional, top-notch, well, this is the place to be, because in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to do just that with your phone. First off, we'll be doing this with two apps, the Pinterest app and the ChatGPT app. Okay, you can use any other AI app of your choice. Just download those apps on Play Store, and of course I'm already clicking on Pinterest app, as you can see, and it's open. And then I'm going ahead to search, prompt the app. Look at what I'm writing: flyer samples to advertise my fashion brand. Now this is very helpful, especially if you are not a graphic designer. You probably don't know how it works. The Pinterest app is going to give you a whole lot of samples. I'm going to scroll through this so you can see all the samples. There are so many samples on this app to glean from. If you don't know much about the Pinterest app, you can go ahead and search, and find out, probably Google what the app is all about. But it's one app that I recommend every fashion designer should have. By the way, it's not just fashion limited, it cuts across different settings. That is why you should stay tuned to this channel, because I'll be showing you many things you can do with your Pinterest app. So looking through the flyers, I saw this one, but I was not okay with it, so I checked this one and I liked it. Now, do you see those three dots under that flyer? Go ahead and click on it. When you see a flyer sample that you like, now you can see, if you click on it, you see something like download image. I already did that quickly, so you probably didn't capture that. So I've done that for one flyer, and I checked another one. You're free to download the samples you like. I saw this one, maybe it's okay. So those three dots, click on it and download the image. You can see that. So go ahead and download these images, or images of flyers that you like, samples that you like. Then go to your ChatGPT app. As you can see, I'm already here, and then you see the plus sign by the left. Click on photos and then click on the flyer samples. You can click on a maximum of 3 samples, especially if you're using the free ChatGPT. So I'm going ahead to prompt the ChatGPT app. Now I took time to write this prompt so you can go through it and understand that when you are working with ChatGPT app or any other AI related app, your prompts, by prompts I mean instructions, your instructions have to be very clear. So you can see how I'm prompting the app. Okay, that's why I said I took time to let you see what I'm writing. So you can see what I'm writing: create a flyer for my fashion brand using concepts from these 2 flyers. Make it more professional and appealing. Recreate the flyers with using these details. So I went ahead to include the details of my brand. So you can see I wrote the name. I'll be speaking as the write-up is coming up, but like I said, I wanted us to go through this prompt to have an idea of how precise and clear you need to be when prompting or instructing the ChatGPT app. If your instructions are not clear, your feedback is not going to be impressive. So I went ahead giving it my name, the location, I gave it the services I would want you to include on the flyer. I also included my contact details, and whatever you want included on your flyer, go ahead and add it. Because this is just a tutorial, I just decided not to include much. You can go ahead and include your should I say logo or your brand tag, whatever it is you want to include in the flyer detail. Go ahead and include it. And then when I was done, I sent the prompt to the app. Now, if you've come this far and you have not subscribed to my channel, I really wonder what you're waiting for. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button, give me that thumbs up, And do not forget to share. Most importantly, turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos. Like I said, this is a new series I started on MS Collection. Is a digital fashion designer, and on this series I'll be showing you how to use not just AI apps but other important apps like the Pinterest and many other apps you can use to boost your fashion brand. Like I always say, this is a digital world. Please do not remain analog. Okay, so I've gone ahead to send my instructions to the app, and you can see the feedback the app is giving me because the app wants to confirm, probably wants to give me an idea of what he wants to generate. So you can see what the app has sent is just like saying, okay, I got your instructions, now look at what I have. That's just what is happening here. So the app is telling me the brand name, the flyer content, the colors, the pictures he wants to use, the positioning. That's all the app is giving me here. You can take it back if you want to study the reply of the app. And so what it does is when it gives you this feedback, it also gives you an idea of what it intends to produce, so you can glance through it, and if there's any adjustments you want to make, you can go ahead and make the adjustments. Also take note that sometimes the feedback doesn't come, okay? So it's not also out of place if instead of the feedback it just goes to produce the image immediately. It's also not out of place. So it also gave me some other suggestions like, do I do this, do I do that? It's all in the write-up. If you want to follow it word for word, you can go ahead and take it back and probably just slow the video down. So when it was done giving me all this, it asked what it would like to do, and I just like, the last question was, should I recreate with this color or that color? And I just replied, recreate image with what you think is best. So it went ahead to recreate, and it gave me this design. Now can you see what we have here? Like, this is what you literally pay money, good money for, and I have it all created on my phone. Please take note that the image creation time is it's more than this. I had to speed this up so that the video is not so lengthy. So if you see that your app is taking time to create or produce the image, please be patient. It's going to create. So what I did was to save it, as you can see. Now I want to probably, let's say this flyer was not to your taste, so under describe edit, I'm also going ahead to re-instruct. I'm like, beautiful, include a kiddies dress. I tried to just edit the write-up. I was like, replace a kiddie's dress with one of the dresses on the pictures by the left. There are 4 pictures by the left. I'm now like, okay, take off one picture and replace it with a kiddie's dress. Also make the dress on the mannequin more professional, and change the background, make the background more feminine but professional. So you can, if you want full details of the write-up, you can go ahead and follow what I was writing, but I'm just paraphrasing the instructions I gave. Okay, so this is if you want any adjustments on the flyer, but do well to save the image produced. Okay, it's very important, especially if you want to edit later on. So like I said, this is just to, if you're not satisfied with what you've gotten, you can go ahead and include your modifications or the adjustments you like and re-instruct the app to effect the corrections, which I did, and it also gave me another feedback. Okay, if you're following, thank you for watching, and a big thank you to all my returning subscribers as well. Please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you be the first to get notified when I upload new videos. So my image is creating. Like I said, this takes a while, and look at what we have here. Isn't this amazing? So the first or the second, which one do you prefer? Well, the choice is yours. Go ahead and try it out and give me your feedback in the comment section. Let me know what you have. I can't wait to see you explore this. All right, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. This is the digital fashion designer. Stay safe. Bye.